Hi, I'm Katrina Zish, and welcome to the weekly unbox. I'm very excited because all of these boxes you see before me contain gifts that are trending holiday gifts, and I'm honored to be able to unbox these. Now, I have no idea what's in these, so this for me is going to be a true Christmas morning experience. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. I'm gonna start with the big one, because why not? Ooh, it's a bag. It's a Dooney Bourke Bag. Okay, this is beautiful because first of all, can you imagine unwrapping a Dooney Bourke bag? This is perfect for the style setter in your life. Someone who's very classic, but always elegant, who always loves those pieces that are timeless, but where she always looks, I don't know, a little expensive, a little special. This is for someone who has great taste and also year-round, seasonless, a great color because, you know, shades of brown are totally the new black. So this is amazing. I mean, this is a luxe gift if I've ever seen one. Trending, but luxe. Okay, I'm putting that right there. Next, this one happens to match me and I didn't even know. How cute is that? Tissue paper. Ooh, I love this. I know. Instax. Anyway, it's an instant camera. It's from Fuji, and I'm giving my age, but I grew up with Polaroid cameras, and I was so sad when they went away briefly, but all of these instant moments are so amazing because you immediately have those little pictures. This is for someone who is always doing social media, who always loves pictures, but also someone like me who has zero patience. So you immediately want it, but you also don't want to have to post it. You don't want to have to do filters or any of those After Effects. You simply want the immediate gratification of the moment. And I'm actually going to further unbox it because it's cute, and these come in colors. I used to collect cameras, all different kinds. And seriously, how cute is this? Oh, and again, smile. So chic. Okay, I love this. This could be for men or women too, because again, it's for anyone who likes to have fun, who likes to be the life of the party. If this is you, go for it. Or memories, create memories. Okay, that's really fun. And that fits in there, convenient. Now this looks like shoes, and I'm such a shoe girl, but it's very lightweight. Could it be slippers, or are they fooling me with the box? Fold, I love it. Okay, not only am I obsessed with all things makeup, but if it is from Urban Decay, I'm really excited. New palettes to me remind me of like being a kid and getting that new box of crayons, or walking even into a candy store where everything is just so beautiful and the colors, and you just want to touch and immediately start playing with it. This is for the glamour girl in your life. This is for someone who is always looking to up her style game and always is kind of creative and a trend pioneer and always comes up with different looks. This is for her. And again, Urban Decay is so cool. There's also something about the smell of a new palette, I'm not gonna lie, but also all these gold tones, so you're getting like matte and shiny, and it's a perfect way to get all these different looks. Again, someone who loves to play and who has no boundaries when it comes to style, a true style pioneer. I might have to take this one with me. Okay, maybe not. All right, I'm gonna put that right there because it's so chic. And the palette itself is just beautiful. Oh, the last one, okay. Good things come in tiny packages, right? Especially when it's a little pink box, I don't know. Ooh. It's something techie, it's something cute, it's something I dropped, and it's from Apple. And I will say, ooh, look at this. Are these the new wireless headphones, right? As you can see, I'm not a techie person, but ooh, good things do come in tiny packages. Look at these awesome earbuds in this amazing carrying case. Also with the earbuds, I love this because this is magnetic inside. They stay inside, and guess what else? No more cords, no more tangling mess. Imagine just tossing this in your bag or even your pocket. You always have these at the ready. Really, this is for someone who is sleek, who is ahead of the curve, him or her, it doesn't matter, but I love this. Okay, so we've got tech, we've got beauty, we've got memory making, a little kitsch right here, and then we have classic elegance. As far as I'm concerned, all of these gifts are perfect for me, but if you love these gifts, you can check out everything in our gift guide. Happy, happy holiday shopping to you. Enjoy.